There we go. We got a heck of better.
Wow. It looks like it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
It's coming his way. It's quite a close this way.
I hope it's coming this way.
Look at this, babe. Watch.
Oh, I saw that.
That's so cool. Right on.
That's the most lightning I've seen.
I know.
I've never seen lightning like that.
It's getting you.
Wow, it almost looked like it came out of the top of the cloud. It did, didn't it? Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, awesome.
I need to know.
You got him?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Awesome.
I hate lightning, you know why? I always get shocked.
The cool part is everybody listening to you on Facebook when they see this.
Awesome.
You should post this on YouTube. So I can.